much for supporting our son here. Thank you very much for coming to grace this occasion. It has made me, I'm an elder in this society in Siaya here. It has made me very proud. And we, as the people of Game and Siaya, we are proud of our son here, and we are very proud of you and will support you. Sasa, there's nothing to worry about. We are the ones who make decisions on what happens. I can tell you that. So, Alicia, carry on with your work. Asante sana.
Umesikia Joe Donde? Let me invite Engineer Chiaji for a minute of Kera. Come and say a word. Just one. There's no time.
Thanks. Your Excellency, our beloved President, President Ruto, our dear MP, Elisha, all protocols observed, on behalf of professionals of Game, Your Excellency, we want to thank you. And we want to thank you very profusely for choosing to work with our MP. As professionals of Game, we believe not only as your Game, but as a county that you have chosen one of the best. Your Excellency, Elisha has got a big heart. Every weekend, I talk to Elisha, he tells me, Engineer, find me at home. And that is the connection he has with these people. And that is the connection Elisha has with us, both professionals in town and our people in Game. Your Excellency, please feel welcome and come tena na tena. Kifanya kazi na Elisha, Game inuke, jogemu umor kabisa.